What?
It's on camera.
We're looking good.
Oscar, do you love it?
Oscar, get back on it again. You right on it.
Oh boy.
It doesn't push. Well, it does push like your truck, but you can get on it too.
There's a smile.
Oh, I'm not sick anymore.
Can you push the other button?
Welcome to Jupiter, Oscar.
Oscar, you keep on getting backward. Can you do it? If you get on, I'll push you around.
Show him how the seat opens.
Oh yeah. There's a seat.
It just opens to that front little latch. Just pulls up. Oh, what goes in there?
You ready to blast off?
Oh boy.
Are you? 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Woohoo!
Oh, those buttons.
That's pretty special. Santa must really love you. Do you love it?
Hey, son, do you want me to push you around?
Where's that camera?
Is it on the table? Look right by the telephone.
All systems go, Retro. We're looking good.